Hello student, it's a third video of this series, and in this series we explore the new feature and updates that available in 3ds Max 22 version. If you want to watch other videos of this series, link available in the iCard button. In this class we talk about symmetry tool update. So let's start. First I create a teapot object and then go to modify section and apply symmetry modifier on it. So first I maximize this perspective viewport, then go to modify section and then click on the modify list and find symmetry modifier from this list, and it's available here. So I click on this and symmetry modifier is assigned on the teapot object in the Z direction, and by default planar is selected here, and second option is radial if you choose radial. So symmetry will applied in this way. I choose axis. So I choose Y direction and you can see mirror axis assigned in the Y direction. Now I reset these parameter. I choose planar again and Z mirror axis. In this symmetry tool update you can assign more than one symmetry axis at a time. So I choose Y and X axis also. So you can see the planar for X, Y and Z axis. Now I go to symmetry extract tool. So I click on this small arrow and choose mirror, and by using rotate tool I change the rotation. I click and drag, so you can see symmetry tool work in this way, and if I change the rotation, so it will apply it in this way. If you want to reset these parameter, click on the reset button, so symmetry will reset. Now I create another object, and this time I create a sphere and then convert this sphere as a editable poly object and delete half sphere. Okay, then apply symmetry modifier on it. So I find symmetry from the drop down list and apply it. Now I apply all symmetry axis and change the rotation. So first I click on the mirror. So symmetry is applied in this way. If you want to reset, click on the reset button and try once again. Okay. If I click on the wireframe mode by pressing F3, you can see common geometry is deleted. So it's a new update in symmetry modifier. I hope you like this. If you want to watch more update videos, subscribe my channel and like this video.